Morning guys, this is what we woke up to this morning on day 3 of our Wales tour. We had a really nice breakfast, and although the room wasn't massive, it was perfectly adequate, so it's a thumbs up for the Anglesey Arms in Caernarfon. Today our route takes us from Caernarfon over to Anglesey. We're going to do a loop of Anglesey up to Conwy and down through Snowdonia, ending up in Porthmadog. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Shortly after arriving in Anglesey, the heavens opened, so on with the waterproofs as the rain was setting for the day. So we arrived at RAF Valley, which is the home to number 4 Flying Training School, responsible for training the UK's next generation of world-class fighter pilots. Unfortunately, I don't think we'll be seeing any planes today. So we arrived at a very wet Conwy castle. Quick stretch of the legs and then back on the road. So we arrived at our destination for the day, which was the Queen's Rooms in Porthmadog. Due to the COVID restrictions at the time, the bar and eating area were not open, unfortunately. We had a wonderful welcome from the owner. So here's our room, very big actually. Bathroom with a fair size, nice hot shower, everything you need in there. Plenty of space to hang up our wet waterproofs from the day. We went for the twin room, which had 2 single beds. Plenty of space to lay out all our clothing and motorbike gear. Most importantly though, there was a big supply of coffee. And we had a beautiful view outside of the West Highland Railway.